She need to take the lady off her name.
Fool me? You fly out Jamaica, not England.
Me have to work hard for everything me have in a life.
The right architect, the people who are passionate about it.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a dirty New Year. Box cover, this is Duttyberry and welcome to a brand new Top 10 Social Media Countdown, the pre-Christmas edition. I hope that you're doing well in the burritos. I hope you're staying safe. Everybody is okay. I know the year has been quite rough, but we are going to press along because we are what? Saints. Yes, yes! Congratulations to Argentina, who are the new World Cup champions. Like, yeah man, Messi, this is going to be incredible to add to your legacy. Like, this is just the missing ingredient that you wanted, and you have it now. So big up all of the Argentina supporters. Brazil made it a rep from day one, but you know, Croatia kick we out, so me just have to just root and support for Argentina. So let me know, right now, if y'all were supporting Argentina from day one or one of the bandwagoners. So let's get into this countdown.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, the box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn name. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out, what happened of the week, yo, just tune in, scene.
Number 10, The Angel fires back at haters. Misagazo. Okay, burritos. So, dancehall artist The Angel recently posted this video to social media because I guess she was just sick and tired of the people them watching our money because of who she used to deal with in her past. Take a listen at what she had to say.
I want to something under a nice, cool tree. Yeah. Nice and cool and tidy. One lady a while ago, I have to address this to me, say, Angel, I think I get this and I think I get that. From where, miss? People always have the notion say people get handout around here. Me not get the handout. Me have to work hard for everything me have in a life. I say my Mary, Madam is Pansy, to teach me how to work hard and achieve what I want in a life. I'm a little bit independent and don't depend on nobody for nothing at all, no man, no nothing at all. So everything me have in my life, I me earn and work hard for that and go over hills and valley. So don't get it twisted here. Don't get it twisted. So when I talk, listen this out of my mouth. These are the facts, yes, sir.
Yes, The Angel, speak up for yourself. Speak up for yourself, The Angel. No, let me just say this. I'm a The Angel fan, and one of the things what I like about The Angel is that she is very perseverant. No matter what people say about her, no matter how people ridicule her, all of the things, the allegations, she is going to press along because she clearly is a saint. 1 minute she's doing music, next minute she's doing business, next minute, she do modeling here and there. She have her OnlyFans page. You see her a cook, and I make seafood. This woman is just constantly reinventing herself, and I definitely believe she's very right with all that she said in the video, that she is somebody who works for her own. And so you have to give Caesar what due unto Caesar. So big up yourself, The Angel, for talking up and representing for yourself. And you know what? I might actually bring back The Angel to co-host the countdown. This time I'm not gonna make our voice fine up because I must realize now I am no longer doing the chipmunk voice. This is just my 100% voice, and so that is a change that I've been doing. And so next year I might start back another co-host week, and I definitely would love to have Angel here again. But anyway, burritos, let me know what you thought of Angel's clapback. Sound off below. Number 9, Cranium represents Mr. P's. Okay, burritos. So dancehall artist Cranium, you know him for this song. Yeah man, them type of song, yeah. Cranium is just one of them artists that constantly finds it. Hear him in no one bag of drama, but he just focuses on the music and delivers bops. And so recently Cranium was interviewed and he said this.
I'm gonna tell you something right now.
Yeah, go on.
And I swear, if I'm lying, I'm lying. I've drove 14 hours already.
That's madness.
Yeah, man.
No.
When girl good, man. I tell you.
You like it too much then?
No, honestly, this is not the first time that Cranium has been saying this in an interview. The man say he goes out on a mission when he is
I on behalf of my country, You know what I mean? So Me do the thing different, you see me?
He puts in the work because he feels that he wants to, give back to his country so that when these women experience him, them can go and go talk and spread the goodness of what brand Jamaica is. And so he proudly takes that as his struggle, his battle, and this is how he contributes to nation building. Oh God, Cranium, big up yourself now. And Burritos, what do you make of his sentiments? Sound off below. Number 8, Shaggy and Friends Dilemma.
Mr. Lover, my lover, I call him Mr. Bombastic, semi-fantastic. She touch me upon my back and call me Mr. Romantic, semi-fantastic. She touch me upon my back and makes me Mr. Boom, 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 boom.
All right, we need to stop now. But anyway, so the Mr. Bombastic artist is definitely back again in the social media spaces because of this ongoing battle or situation with the Bustamante Children's Hospital. Now, some years ago, Shaggy has been putting on Shaggy and Friends Concert where he raises awareness and, pulls together funds so that he can make a donation to the Bustamante Children's Hospital so that they can improve the children's ward with well-needed equipment, machines, etc. Resources. No, I think it was some years ago, some big piece of excitement pop up in a newspaper that would make it seem as if Shaggy did mishandle the funds. And so Shaggy came up on social media and be like, hey, this is not my issue. This is the Bustamante hospitals and the government situation right there. And so now Shaggy is back again in the media because there has not been any fulfillment of that promise. I know they pick them not get the machine them when they need $100 million is just still there floating around like Lali song.
Well, as far as benefits, the money has been in the bank, so that's the first benefit. Yeah. It is there. Now, to execute it, you know what I mean? That is what we have to sit down and figure out how we're going to do it. And we're talking about stretching bucks, We're taking this money and trying to stretch it the best. So we can't just get up and quickly just choose this person and choose that person and choose this person. We have to sit down and have meetings after meetings. Make sure you're the right contractors, right? The right architect, the people who are passionate about it. Not somebody going to just come on board and say, all right, yeah, we're going to do construction, but we're going to build a hospital, but we're five other jobs over here, so that's going to be priority. Right? You know what I mean? We want people who are passionate about it and take this, let it be the first. So that takes time. That takes time for us moving through and getting it done. No, the whole thing about turning over, as read something else about turning money over to the government. We were never that organization. If you look at our model from day one, we never turn cash over to government. We always buy equipment ourselves, right, and do it.
Honestly, at this point, I totally get why Shaggy nobody want to keep this concert. But I think he's going to keep it again. Because the media are the powers that be try to push this man under the bus. And I don't think he appreciated that. The mere fact that he's able to even still speak about the situation. I have to commend him for that, because for me, I just distance myself from this whole entire situation once and for all. But I do definitely miss Shaggy and Friends concert. It was a nice little end of year early to start the year concert, and it was for a good cause. So Burritos, let me know, you think Shaggy should continue Shaggy and Friends to help the Bustamante Hospital? Sound off below.
One thing I have to say in the words of Vibes Cartel. Looking at me, I know,
Number 7, Chinese chopper. Me? Oh God, I don't want to say me Lo Meng, but I'm never sure if that was appropriate or not. Alright, Burritos, so I saw this video on TikTok, and everyone, like he's doing pranking videos these days, but the brother here prank with a difference. Like, he is pranking with the spirit of Ghetto Kirk. He decided to, I'll know what his brother face look like, but this is the social media account, and he did a prank, pranking, I guess, one of his friends' mother, who is called Tanya. And this is how it went.
Your son called and had a food for you. His name is Brother?
Brother?
Yes. Yes, food come up to $6,500.
You don't know more than
No, he said you gonna pay for it. So we want to know where we deliver to. Yeah, but you have to pay for food. But your son had it, Tanya. And say we must deliver to his mother. Miss, if you cannot pay for food, we report you to police.
You know, honestly, I just can't deal with people. I can't deal with people. I am just really impressed that Tanya had time on that day to give him all of this attention. Because if I did my mother, she hung up a long time. She didn't in the little lady. She just tell him 2 words and hung up the phone and gone about her business. But Tanya was there because maybe she didn't want the food. Oh my God, this is just like messy. But Burritos, do you know to do any like impression this well? That's what I was very impressed by. This brother could have legit be a chopper. He sounded pretty much authentic. Me no know. The only thing we can do is like the IT and Fancy Cat sketch. And one curry goats to go. Give me 2 fried rice and 1 curry goats to go. Oh God, I hope I don't get cancelled. Is that appropriate? Legal team, we're okay with that?
Yes.
All right, Burritos, let me know in the comments. Okay, so if you're watching the countdown now, ensure that you hit the subscribe button when you're watching the video, when you're enjoying the countdown, the content, when you see how consistent I have been. Hit the thumbs up button, like the video, as well as the subscribe. We're trying to get to the 300,000 mark. Okay, anyway, let's continue with the countdown.
Right about now, it's time for the big up segment. Well done. Look how the girls them sexy and young. Run along. Sing along. Well then, big up the
Alright, so first up on the big up segment, I have to go and big up dancehall artist Mr. Vegas and getting his bachelor's, his BA in sociology and anthropology from the Florida International University. Yes, and him get this with a 3.9 GPA. So congratulations, Mr. Vegas.
Clifford Smith.
And in the same breath, I have to go and big up our influencer couple, Shanzi and Nino, who got married recently in Montego Bay Rosal Great House in St. James. Yes, because some people did correct me because I must make an error in the last countdown. Yes, Rosal Great House in St. James. Number 6, students sing me JIS. Why did I say JIS? Yes, man. Yes, so I forgot to switch things up and talk about the positivity when students, they're doing good. Okay? All right. So some students at the St. Elizabeth Technical recently did a remix to One Big's Done Boy Office song. They used the rhythm to talk about Spanish vowels. Take a look.
Alright. Populas vocales en español. Populas vocales en español. Populas vocales en español. Anybody love this negative vocales in español?
Yeah, man, round of applause for them. Round of applause for them. This is how your show say you don't dance. Everybody can fully dance. You have to have some people who fully bright, fully articulate, fully intelligent, fully studious. Let's make that a thing as well because balance is life. Yeah, man, but them people are very bright. This is exactly how I normally learn in school. I couldn't really learn by just taking up the notes like this. Me have to kind of customize it so it could have stick in my memory. And I remember, before me even I learned about the A, E, O, O, and to walk at sang seat, is wheat, nerve, deeks. Yeah, man, them look something there. Me did make a song for photosynthesis, and when I was doing my biology test, them asked if me never sing the song in my mind. Tell me, say you want me to sing my photosynthesis song. What you say? Oh, you want me to? Okay, it was an opera song.
Photosynthesis
is a process
where green plants
make organic
substances
from inorganic
substances.
Yeah, that's what I used to do. Some used to learn. But burritos, let me know what you thought of these students at St. Elizabeth Technical. Sound off below. Number 5, Queenie versus Amari. Meet Jerry Springer. Okay, burritos, you see why you must listen to me? You must listen to me when I'm talking on the social media countdown, you know, because now it seems as if there could be a war between social media sensation Queenie and social media star Amari. So both are notorious for their carrying on the social media space. Both are very vocal women. Both are in the music industry. Both have had very popular, influencer-esque relationships in the public domain. And I know both are gearing up for a potential clash at this year's staging of Sting. Yeah, man. So let me just tell you how all of this starts. So Amari, you know, she sing Nico Mash Up My Life. She's now working with a producer by the name of Sika Rhymes, right? That put out this particular track for her.
Yo, Sika. Some me also some me make the money first. Some me also.
In the song there's a line that I mentioned, so she not forgot thief or not for rob. And people are saying that this is throwing word on Queenie. Now, the other part of the story is the same Sika Rhymes, the writer, the producer, used to work with Queenie herself. So when Queenie was doing like the Queen in the deck, and then when they did the song That I Do It, that same song, Sika Rhymes was the person who wrote the song and produced it, but no, him left from Queenie because they had a disagreement and he's now working with Amari. No, tell me if this is not one piece of bangarang.
Wow! Oh my God!
And that would also explain why her music video for One Man to My Goodie is no longer on YouTube. So move from all of that now, and Amari was interviewed by Onstage, and she decided to talk up the things about Queenie and said that she's ready for a clash with the social media sensation.
Say, you know, Lady Gangster is a lot bigger on social media than Amari.
I don't know of that. As far as I'm concerned, she need to take the lady off her name. The gangster, leave that to Amari. So tell her I'll see her on stage, but she's not going to be worthy to be on stage because right now she flopped.
So boy, oh boy, this seems like quite a showdown. I would love to see Queenie and Amari in the same room. Who do you think would win a clash at this year's staging of Sting? No, I'm going to say that I feel like Queenie at this moment might have more hits. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I feel like Queenie might actually have more hits than Amari, but it's all about who would show up on the day and be lyrical. So let me know, burritos, are you Team Amari or Team Queenie? Sound off below. Number 4, Star Dawkins talk. Me, butter rice. Okay, let's go with that. So, businesswoman, entrepreneur, dancehall artist Star Dawkins has gone viral after posting a video online giving some advice to the women on how to get what they want from men. Take a listen.
Men are always telling me they like how I talk to them, so I'm gonna give you one of my little tips. Instead of asking a guy like, where you at, or why you haven't texted me, you're not calling me, I tell him how I feel and what I want. So I'll be like, I miss seeing you, or I'll say, your good morning text has always made me smile. I want that again. I don't need to ask you nothing because I don't care why. I'm not your mom, right? I'm just letting you know what I want, and I'm gonna see what you do with that information.
Oh, okay. I think there is merit to what Star says. Star definitely knows how to get social media riled up. Like, this woman has a gift on how to just go viral, how to just get people up in them feelings while she just stay there and cruise and just laugh at everybody on her way to the bank. And so this is just another example of Star just being a star. So burritos, I'd love to hear, do you agree with her, or do you think that what she's saying is just totally and utter rubbish? Sound off below. Number 3, story time. Okay, burritos, so the last time I shared with you a story about the whole cashback thing, and on the Seem for Love It, so I'm bringing another story time video for y'all this week. All right, so this lady posted a video on TikTok detailing a story of her adventure in the town area when she was walking and some man start for a prayer. And you know all the streets them not safe from what day, so she was very much on guard. Take a listen.
I haven't laughed today. Let me tell you what just happened. I'm walking down the road in halfway tree. Walking, minding my business, have my phone in my hand, la dee 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 dee. I reached by like Monarch Pharmacy, And there's this man and he's like, yo, yo. And you know, cocky as I'm like ignoring him because you know, just respond to any yo on the street. But then the man start walking me down, you know. Right, so now I pick up the pace and I walk. I'm walking so fast that I'm literally losing this man. So I'm start hit a little jog and I'm like, oh my god. I was like, now him about to attack me, what is going on? So I dip inside a store because I'm like, okay, this man can't attack me in a broad daylight in a store. So I dip in the store, the man coming behind me and he's like, ma'am. I was like, yes. You drop your phone. I look down because the whole time I swear I'm holding my phone. No phone. The man have my phone in his hand and he's like, you dropped your phone. I'm so embarrassed. This is why you mustn't be cocky, you know? This is why you must humble yourself. And look how the man just trying to be an upstanding citizen and running for my life.
You see, that's why you have to always give people a chance because me no know, it's like you're doomed if you do, you're doomed if you don't. You don't know who for trust, you don't know when for be mindful. This lady was just trying to, I guess be wise and not really stop with somebody and run her down because want to try that with the one person and then them just gone with your phone. This woman said she was on her phone and then all of a sudden it just reached on the ground and you don't realize? No, man, I want your level of comfort just walking around Jamaica. That is bliss. That is joy. As some know say I have money in a your bank account, because broke people don't walk with them level there of comfort. My girl said she was fully feeling herself and feel like the brother probably a look her. But me I forgot to say, big up the guy who actually did a noble thing because enough man would do that. They would have packed it and gone about them business, especially seeing that she was walking away. So let me know, Burritos, have you ever had a good deed like this? Big up that good Samaritan right now in the comments. Number 2, Offset and Cardi B celebrating his birthday in Jamaica. Now, people, I just think that Jamaica is a very, very good place to be at because this is why the other Caribbean islands them hate we. This is why them grudge for because we are the #1 destiny. Let me just stop that right there because I am for all of CARICOM. Because I have burritos in Trinidad, burritos in Turks and Caicos, burritos in Dominica, Bahamas, all over the diaspora. So I'm not going to just single out Jamaica, but let me just say this. Something in the sauce right here. Because we make the whole of them celebrities here after just flock to Jamaica. Like, Jamaica that nice? Because why do we run up at the US Embassy? If Jamaica is so nice, why everybody are come here and we are run go there? Something not add up, and it is all in the paycheck. Anyway, burritos, so they visited Duns River Falls, they did kayaking, we saw them at some street dance games night at Romish Entertainment. Rebel was there dancing with Offset. They were very much enjoying themselves. You see, them in them car, enjoying some time with Cardi B's sister Hennessy, listening to Macadam Man, Elephant Man, every single that all Kiprich. They were fully engrossed in the Jamaican culture and I loved to see it. Yeah, man, and I just love to see how Offset, he comes here and him just like fitting with the people. You know, see him do too much showboating, him just seem for just humble himself, enjoy himself and interact with the people them. And that is the sort of energy. That is what will make Jamaican people, love celebrities like this even more. And so I forgot to say, thank you Offset and Cardi B for coming to Jamaica, having such a great time and showing the enjoyment and the vibe and the togetherness of the Jamaican people to your millions of followers. Definitely love that, and I feel like it will only help to encourage more people to visit our island and not just to come here and itch up in the hotel, but for mix with the people, really be immersed in the culture, the dancehall culture, the street culture, the music, the food, because that is what I truly believe is the strongest selling point of brand Jamaica, the culture itself. Yeah, man. Let me know what you thought of their visiting of burritos. Sound of below.
This is Original Coffee and you're watching the Duttyberryshow. Duttyberry are coming like a rapture. Yeah.
And number 1 goes to Burna Boy in JA. Woo! My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. Yeah, man, the people them tell me say last week I did not say that. I don't know how I forgot to say that. Let me just say it again just to make up for last week. My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my biblioteca. So I have to go and go say big up to the whole entire team who put on the Burna Boy concert. He was there, invited Lila Ike as well as Popcaan to share the stage with him. Miss Kitty was there doing the hosting duties. I know so she is just going to bring the energy and the excitement, the Ray, Woy, Lad, and all that, and a bag of chips. Yeah, man, and I made sure that I did my research because I never want to just go there fully only knowing last song. But make sure I'm going to learn the other songs them as well, so I could sing along when he was performing on stage. Popcaan did his thing. He completely gave all of his energy. He won't be doing his show in St. Thomas, so it's nice that I guess his fans will get to see him on this stage. I especially loved that he brought out Toni-Ann sing so that they could do their hit single Next to Me. Honestly, like, we just want to find out, like, what going on right this song, because I am just loving all of this. And of course, Toni sounded great and she looked good. All of these things. Yeah, man, I know Lila Ike, boy, I just love how Lila Ike sing. When I look out where I'm coming from, looking back to where the journey began. And here, Burna Boy, he completely rocks the crowd. I mean, it was a great event. You know, leading up people that are complaining about the VIP, VVIP, Ultra VIP, and all of that. It was great. You know, I was able to do some little media duties, get some little behind the scenes footage, which you can go and check out right here. And yeah, that is it, burritos. So let me know, did you attend? Would you have attended if you got the chance to? Sound off below. Yeah, man, big up yourself, Burna Boy, for putting on a great show. Well, that is it. We've come to the end of this week's social media countdown, the pre-Christmas social media countdown. So if you enjoyed it, please hit the thumbs up button, hit the like button, turn on your post notifications so that you can get notified whenever I post a video. Don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what was your favorite part of the countdown. Once you have done that, subscribe if you haven't. And if you subscribe already, take somebody's phone and subscribe from it, okay? Because they might watch the video too and they're just being stingy. But if you're watching the videos, you're enjoying the content, subscribe the readers, okay? And once you've done that, follow me on my social media at TheDuttyBerryShow, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok, all over. And to advertise within the social media countdown are for bookings, for events, etc., shoot me an email right here, bookings.duttyberryshow@gmail.com. Okay, take care until next time.
The dirty, yeah, the berry, yeah, the juicy, yeah, the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, the box cover, and cover all the topics like a hymn name. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me, yeah, what happened of the week, yo, just tune in, scene.